From February 22nd to February 24th, 2026, Massachusetts was struck by a powerful winter storm widely known as the Blizzard of 2026. The storm brought heavy snowfall, strong winds, and dangerous conditions across much of the state, making it one of the most disruptive winter weather events in recent years for southern New England. Millions of residents were affected as daily life slowed or came to a halt. Roads became snow-covered, visibility dropped sharply, and emergency warnings were issued statewide. The severity of the storm placed Massachusetts at the center of national and international weather coverage, highlighting the scale and intensity of this major blizzard. The blizzard developed as a strong low-pressure system rapidly intensified along the eastern coast of the United States. Cold Arctic air combined with moist Atlantic air, creating ideal conditions for heavy snowfall and strong winds. As the system strengthened, snowfall rates increased quickly and wind gusts became more intense. These factors led to classic blizzard conditions, including blowing snow and near whiteout visibility. Southeastern Massachusetts and coastal areas experienced the harshest conditions, where the storm maintained its strength for several hours, allowing snow to accumulate rapidly and extensively. Snow began entering Massachusetts late on February 22nd, gradually spreading across the state overnight. By the morning of February 23rd, conditions worsened significantly as snowfall intensified and winds strengthened. During the peak of the storm, snow fell at rates exceeding 2 inches per hour in some areas, making travel extremely dangerous. Emergency advisories urged residents to stay indoors. By February 24th, snowfall began to decrease, but strong winds and deep snow remained, slowing cleanup efforts and prolonging the storm's overall impact across many communities. Snowfall totals varied widely across the state, with the heaviest accumulation recorded in southeastern Massachusetts. Fall River received approximately 41 inches of snow, while New Bedford recorded around 37 inches, and Kingston saw roughly 36 inches. These areas experienced some of the highest snowfall totals in the region. Boston, while still heavily impacted, recorded about 17 inches of snow. Meteorologists identified southeastern Massachusetts as the storm's most intense snowfall zone, where snow accumulation far exceeded initial expectations and contributed to severe local disruptions. In addition to heavy snow, strong winds played a major role in the storm's impact. Wind gusts caused blowing and drifting snow, drastically reducing visibility and creating near whiteout conditions at times. These conditions made driving extremely dangerous and complicated emergency response efforts. In coastal areas, strong winds combined with heavy snow increased the risk of coastal impacts and further worsened conditions. The interaction of wind and snow significantly amplified the severity of the blizzard, making it more dangerous than snowfall totals alone might suggest. The blizzard caused widespread transportation disruptions across Massachusetts. Boston Logan International Airport experienced significant delays and cancellations as snow-covered runways and aircraft issues affected operations. The storm's impact extended beyond the state, contributing to major disruptions along the northeastern travel corridor. On the ground, highways and local roads became difficult or impossible to navigate due to deep snow and drifting. Authorities discouraged all non-essential travel, emphasizing safety as emergency crews worked to clear roads under challenging conditions. Heavy wet snow combined with strong winds led to widespread power outages across Massachusetts. Trees and power lines were brought down, leaving hundreds of thousands of residents without electricity. Utility crews were deployed across the state, working continuously to restore power despite hazardous conditions. Emergency management agencies coordinated response efforts, including snow removal and access for emergency services. Ice shelters were opened in some communities to assist residents without heat, as officials continued to stress safety and caution during and after the storm. The blizzard significantly disrupted daily life across Massachusetts. Schools and government offices closed, and many businesses suspended operations as travel became unsafe. Residents faced the challenge of clearing large amounts of heavy snow, increasing the risk of injury. Even after snowfall ended, lingering hazards such as ice, blocked roads, and unstable snow piles remained. Recovery efforts continued for days, and underscoring the lasting effects of the blizzard of 2026 and its role as a major winter weather event with both local and international significance.
Gotta give him credit. This is fucking crazy. You can see how...
The blizzard of 2026 was one of the most significant winter storms to impact Massachusetts in recent years, bringing heavy snowfall, strong winds, and widespread disruption. The storm affected transportation, power systems, and daily life across the state, with recovery efforts continuing even after snowfall ended. As conditions gradually improve, this blizzard stands as a powerful reminder of the challenges posed by extreme winter weather and its lasting impact on communities.